Hi friend, this is Pan. I am from Welping Machinery. Today I'm in the workshop to show you some of the machines which in your requirement list. At my back is the most biggest in your list, the 1200 type. As you can see, we have many stocks of these machines. Okay, let me show you some of our workshop. It's the stock area. Today, because of electricity limitation, so the workshop is off work. It gives me a very convenient time to show you around. At this area, we stock the small size machines like 500 and 630, and the size like 450, 400, 315, something like that. And we have this frame part, and we have these items which needed to be assembled. And these parts are the trimmer for the bigger machines. These are for the 1000, and this, I think it should be for the 630. Okay, it's just like that. So I just want to say hi, and I hope we can establish cooperation in the future. And we will do our best to support you. Thank you.